Assalamu alaikum students, this is the fifth video of chapter number 3 exercise 3.4. In this video I will solve question number 1, part number 15 and 16. Moving on to part number 15, which is integral ex sin x cos x dx. Multiplying and dividing by 2, this formula will become 2 sin x cos x, which is equal to sin 2x. So this question become 1 over 2 integral ex sin 2x dx. Now substituting this value as I, so I is equal to integral ex sin 2x dx, taking ex as first function and sin 2x as second. Integrating by parts, we get ex into negative cos 2x by 2 negative integral negative cos 2x by 2 into ex dx, negative ex cos 2x by 2 plus 1 over 2 integral ex cos 2x dx. Now again there are two functions, taking ex as first and cos 2x as second. Integrating by parts, again we get negative ex cos 2x by 2 plus 1 over 2 bracket ex sin 2x over 2 negative integral sin 2x by 2 into ex dx. Negative ex cos 2x by 2 positive ex sin 2x by 4 negative 1 over 4 integral ex sin 2x dx. As we can see here, I is equal to ex sin 2x. So putting the value of I here, we get negative ex cos 2x by 2 plus ex sin 2x by 4 negative 1 over 4 I. Moving this value to the other side, we get I plus 1 over 4 I is equal to negative ex cos 2x by 2 plus ex sin 2x by 4 plus c. Now solving this, we get 5I over 4 is equal to negative ex cos 2x by 2 plus ex sin 2x by 4 plus c. 4 is multiplied to the numerator and 5 is to the denominator. So we get I is equal to negative 4 ex cos 2x by 4 plus 4 ex sin 2x by 20 plus c. Cutting the values, we get I is equal to negative 2 ex cos 2x by 5 plus ex sin 2x by 5 plus c. Now putting the value of I in this equation, we get 1 over 2 into negative 2 ex cos 2x by 5 plus ex sin 2x by 5 plus c. Taking e as common and 5 as common, we get 1 over 5. 2 will be cancelled by this 2, so it can be written as 1 over 5 ex into negative cos 2x plus sin 2x by 2 plus c. Substituting the value of cos 2x, which is 1 minus 2 sin square x, we get 1 over 5 ex into negative 1 minus 2 sin square x plus sin 2x over 2 plus c, which can be further simplified as 1 over 5 e raised to power x into 2 sin square x negative 1 positive 1 over 2 sin 2x plus c. Moving on to part number 16, which is integral x sin x cos x dx. Multiplying and dividing by 2 on both sides, multiplying and dividing by 2, completing this formula, which is 2 sin x cos x is equal to sin 2x. Now our question become 1 over 2 integral x sin 2x dx, taking x as first function and sin 2x as second function. Integrating by parts, we get 1 over 2 bracket x integral sin 2x negative integral bracket integral sin 2x dx into derivative of x dx, which is equal to 1 over 2 x into negative cos 2x over 2 negative integral negative cos 2x over 2 into 1 dx, negative x cos 2x over 4 plus 1 over 4 cos 2x dx, which is equal to negative x cos 2x over 4 plus 1 over 4 sin 2x over 2 plus c. Taking 1 over 4 as common, we get 1 over 4 negative x cos 2x plus putting the value of sin 2x 2 sin x cos x over 2 plus c, which can be further simplified as 1 over 4 sin x cos x negative x cos 2x plus c.